So here on the board, we have a diagram with two line segments intersecting each other. Now, let's say that the line segment PRP or PR and QS intersect at a common point which we call A. So right here where they intersect each other is point A. Now, you would have noticed that 4 angles are formed, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. But each angle have a name. Now we can use the endpoint with the vertex to name the angle. Now the first angle that is formed is angle RAS. That's one angle which is RAS. Doesn't matter if I say SAR. Another angle is angle RAQ. Another angle is angle QAP. Angle QAP. And the fourth one is angle PAS. So angle PAS. So let's say that we know the value of angle RAS. Let's say the value of this angle is 130 degrees, which is this part here. Know that all of this angle here is 130 degrees. And then somebody asks us to calculate the rest of missing angles. So they ask us to calculate those angles. So we are going to see if we can calculate RAQ. Now, if you notice that this angle here and this angle here, they are on a straight line, are what we call supplementary angles. So these two angles makes a half a circle, which means that they add up to 180 degrees. And when angles add up to 180 degrees, we say that those angles are supplementary angles. Also, would have noted that angle PAQ and angle RAQ and angle RAS are adjacent angles as well. Now, we know that angle RAQ plus angle RAS must equal to 180 degrees. And the reason for that is they are supplementary angles. Now, they tell us that angle RAQ is 130. So 130 degrees plus angle RAS is equal to 180 degrees. Now, in order to find angle RAS, we need it by itself. So here we have a positive 130 degrees. So we have to subtract 130 degrees from both sides. So if we subtract 130 degrees from both sides, we left back, and this side would left back with angle RAS is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. Therefore, angle RAS is equal to 50 degrees. So all of this angle here is 50 degrees. So this is 50 degrees. Alright? And that's how you would have find it, calculate it. Now, let's look at angle QAP, which is this angle. let's see if we could use the same idea, the same technique to find this angle. We realize that angle PAQ is adjacent to angle QAR. We also note that angle, we can say that, let me write it out, angle PAQ, let me just identify that, angle PAQ and angle QAR, are supplementary angles. Right? So we know that these angles are supplementary angles, and we would have known that supplementary angles sum to give 180. So therefore, we can write an equation to say that angle PAQ plus angle QAR equal 180 degrees. Now, do we know the value of angle PAQ? Angle PAQ? No, that's what we want to find. Do we know the value of angle QAR? Yes, angle QAR is 50 degrees. So therefore, angle PAQ plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Note we want to find this angle. This is plus 50. So we have to subtract 50 from both sides. I'm not going to show the subtraction on this side. So I left back with on this side, that is angle PAQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. So angle PAQ is equal to 130 degrees. So here, this angle here, we know that that angle is 130. Write this A smaller. This is 130 degrees. So we only have one more part to solve, which is angle PAS. And we are going to use the same idea, supplementary angles. Now, we know that supplementary angles add up to 180. So therefore, angle QAP plus angle PAS, angle PAS is equal to 180 degrees. And the reason for this is that these two angles are, put in bracket, supplementary angles. And we use SUPP for short, and the symbol angle, supplementary angles. So that's how we know that these two angles sum to give us 180. Or they lie on a straight line, right? Now, do we know the value of angle QAP? Yes, we do. This is QAP, which is 130 degrees. Or we could look at the diagram here. So, 130 degrees plus angle PAS equal to 180 degrees. Now, because we have 130 degrees, which is positive, we have to subtract 130 degrees from both sides of the equation. So, we have, let me write back what I have in this line, which is 130 degrees plus angle PAS, leave a little space, equal 180 degrees. Now I want to get rid of this 130, so I need to subtract 130 degrees. Because it's an equation, if I subtract 130 degrees on this side, I have to subtract 130 degrees on this side as well. 130 minus 130 give me 0. I am left back with angle PAS, which is equal to 180 minus 130 give me 50 degrees. So this angle here is 50 degrees. Now let's just observe the diagram here. If you note closely, we can say that angle RAQ is vertically opposite to angle SAP. Now there is one key thing about vertically opposite angles. They are always equal. And you can note by solving all of the values for each angle, you would have noted that angle RAQ is equal to angle SAP. Likewise, angle SAR is equal to angle PAQ. So note, this angle is 130 and the vertically opposite angles is 132, and this angle is 50 degrees and the vertical opposite angle to it is also 50 degrees. So one key point to note about vertically opposite angles, they are always equal. So we know that vertically, let me just write vertically, and we use VERT for short for vertically. Vertically opposite, OPP for opposite, and the symbol angles are always equal. So please know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. Thank you.